You can see it coming. You don't know how difficult it is to make something like this.
Rotoscoping footage, camera tracking, cleanup work, building 3D models, textures, and rigs for characters and objects, keyframe animation, the lighting, combining all elements, color correction.
To make something like this, you would rightfully say, damn, this is a lot of work. This has to be super difficult to do. Nope. Basically, what we do right here is upload your video and upload your image. Explain in a prompt what you want to see and go here and let it go crazy. In this video, we will see what PikAdditions is and how does it work, some incredible examples, and the best tips and guidelines to make the best of it. This new feature allows you to insert in your video whatever you want, a character, an animal, an object. I chosen the creepiest thing that I could find, this, to test this amazing new AI capability. So what is it? It's kind of like a VFX composition. Some call it video in painting. The basis is that you add a 2D image to a video, and the AI will transform the image into a 3D model and integrate it seamlessly into the video footage. I just put right here the video that I am using, and then I uploaded this. My little baby, my little fat baby. A man stops and sees a massive giant tarantula in the back right corner of the kitchen. The tarantula is scared and recoils into a ball. And the most amazing and mind-blowing thing about all of this is that you can easily click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and if you want, leave a nice comment. So you go to Pika, right here, is the one with the bunny. Click on it, very easy. And here we have what people have generated. And down here, you can describe the video that you want to generate. Here you have the different features that you can do with it. Adding the image, PikAFX, PikAscenes. That only works if you're paying a subscription. Then we have the PikAdditions and the newest feature yet that I just found when I was recording this video. But it's called PikaSwap. What is very cool too is that you can go through all these examples, and the one that I really like is this one. Look at how responsive it is with the lighting. The amount of different levels of VFX work that goes into this video is crazy. The tracking, transformation of this animal to a 3D element, the VFX composition part, the blending with the atmosphere, the illumination, incredible. Dude, Pika are literally crushing it. And right here, you can retry or reprompt. That's a cool one. If we want to, for example, use the base video and put here another thing, we can click here, we prompt, and if we go down, we have right here the video without the element and the image that they used. And of course, the prompt. A giant animal is sitting on the floor in the shower and is illuminated by the torch. Let me show you some examples of an amazing creator come Mr. John Finger, where he tests how this feature reacts to reflections. Look at this crazy reflection right here. First of all, you can see here the light, how it affects this element. Incredible. How it places the element behind the light, and look at the reflections on the water of both characters. Is it free? Yes. All the stuff that I've done is with the free subscription. I think that you have 150 credits per month that you can see right up here. When you go here, it will tell you are currently on the basic plan. That's me. 50 credits. And have in mind that each generation, at least PikAdditions, it's going to cost you 10 credits. So you can have 15 generations of this amazing AI tool for free. Let's say, for example, that you're looking for a very specific thing. In this case, I'm not going to spoil the movie, but I was looking for a very specific shot. Probably if you've seen the movie, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Tell me in the comments if you know the movie. I had to go through different tryouts. We're going to go to my library, and as you can see, I've been trying different ones. Strange face there. My face. See this one? This one was crazy. This one didn't work at all. But again, as you can see, the integration of the element is crazy. Actually, this wasn't bad at all, but I didn't quite like the spider. But if you don't want to spend your 150 credits in 1 second, let me tell you some tips and guidelines that will help you save money, time, and maybe some headache. Use high-quality, clear images with good lighting and resolution. This helps the AI better understand and replicate the image in the video. So to upscale the image, what I use is Topaz Gigapixel. You insert the image and you use one of their models to create something with more quality. You download it, And in a perfect situation, this would be what you're going to be using as an image reference. Choose images with simple backgrounds or isolated subjects. Complex backgrounds can confuse the AI and lead to unexpected transformations. Ensure your reference image matches the video style, lighting, and perspective as closely as possible. This helps the AI integrate the image more seamlessly. If for whatever reason you have problems to determine something like this, something that could help you is using ChatGPT or any chatbot in the market where you can give it an image and it can describe it for you. In this example, I went to ChatGPT and I asked him to describe the style, lighting, and perspective of this still image. I went to my editing software and I clicked into export frame right here. And this is the image that I'm going to use as a reference for the LLM to describe the style, lighting, etc. Then I asked it to create a prompt with these characteristics to be used in my AI image generation software that I use normally. In this case, it's Midjourney. I took the part of the prompt that I'm going to use in Midjourney. I'm going to create an image with the element that I want to insert in the video. As you can see here, I'm jumping back and forth to visually see which one is the best shot that fits the right perspective of my still image of the video. And then, as always in life, you have to make a decision and go with it. Normally, the results are not going to work the first time, so you will have to be patient, iterate, and try stuff. Provide a detailed and specific prompt describing how you want the image integrated into the video. Be clear about placement, lighting, and interaction with the scene. Avoid using heavily stylized or abstract images, as this may be more difficult for the AI to interpret accurately. If possible, use images that are similar in context to the video scene. For example, if adding a person to an outdoor scene, use a reference image of the person outdoors. Experiment with multiple takes and fine-tune your prompts to achieve the desired result. So remember these guidelines if you want to generate specific stuff. They're going to help you a lot. If you're kind of afraid of how to use AI, I would say 100% go with Pika right now. Pika is doing a really good job with this. They're creating this easy-to-use interface with all this cool stuff that you can do very easy with a click of a button. I really like this AI feature because I think it shows how, first of all, how easy it is to use it. And it's a good excuse to start, being more familiar with AI tools. Thank you so much for your time. My name is Rafa, and I see you in the next one. Stay kind.